Ngami nkusange kuserena.
No, just calm down, Sarah. Calm down. Hamamba bobita. Shesabendi holo mendi. I still have some little work here to finish up. Then I come right away as soon as I finish. No, just clear that border guy. I will pay back. I promise. No, come on. Unyala witsa hudeti ngoli hoade ni siringi busande ntsirumusa umota.
Musajja gwo nakugamba ndikira sa part.
Naruli ni siringi usasula border ta but still ruli huhola lugezige.
Ani wozanyirako.
Indu huinyayisa ta no, I'm not playing you. Chese ndi hulo machina if you're already there at the venue. Ingira wihale yas. Arili wa muhana mukarimba mulanga bari nambuya. She's going to come and attend to you. Mulomo ruwali ndile papa wata museo the latrine drainer guy. Luna hulona basupply ngadi latrine drainer abebi biko bya blocking wabayeta okwani blocking ebiko byao. So anashebulira they are going to handle you with a lot of care. Balume bakwe chips ni chicken, you eat as I come, please.
Chips.
That's not what I said. No merendi wihalewo they serve you chips and chicken as I come. Ubango nyala wihala busatawe.
Era kangene count yange njeko sente.
Sarah, nitirenge ngulomba na bindi, let's meet. Aringwambe opportunity shalero meeting. Don't crush it, please. Stop disrespecting me. Be understanding. Nama hulomendi. Sit inside there. I am coming. Iliyoshendi humaliza shitini shiri. Just be understanding. Come on. No, I didn't know that you reached there before me. Nenge ndo huita. Hello? When you haliwa adina kumi biri tiritse huo wa boda, when you welugezigezi.